Welcome to Cooking with John.
Looks like a fish stick. Hot dog.
The cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good.
You don't mean that.
Oil of the olives. Careful salt.
Powered by MEATS2U.com. Today I'll be making some 50-50 bison bacon patty melt sliders with a garlic pepperoncini aioli using MEATS2U.com's bison and applewood smoked bacon.
Bacon.
To start off, cut your bacon into 1/4-inch little cubes. The easiest way to cut bacon in my opinion is to cut it when it's cold or frozen. So put it in the freezer for a couple hours before you start doing this, or keep it in the fridge.
Now that's innovation.
Once your bacon is all cubed up, add it into your bison mix.
Look at all that bacon go.
To kick it up a notch, I like to use a little bit of the Kickin Cajun seasoning from MEATS2U.com.
I really like the Kickin Cajun seasoning. It's very Cajun.
You don't mean
Once you've seasoned it well, mix it together by hand and set it to the side while you prepare your bread.
That is a very handsome looking baguette.
Take a fresh baguette and cut it into 1-inch slices. Now you could use whatever cheese you like, but I like Gouda when it comes to this because it has a nice rich smoky flavor.
I like smoky.
Once your cheese is grated, set your pan to medium-high heat and start cooking your sliders.
Aren't those little cute burgers? Aww.
You want to keep the temperature high throughout the process of cooking these patties so that way you can develop a nice crispy crust.
Cheese.
Once you flip your patties, add your cheese and cover. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and then it will be done. Now to make the aioli. In a food processor, blend 2 tablespoons of olive oil mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using chili olive oil. You could use whatever kind of olive oil you want.
That's pretty exotic.
The juice of 1 lime, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of shredded pepperoncinis, and blend it all together till you get a nice smooth consistency. Now to construct your sliders. Take your bread and dip it in the leftover fat from the slider patties that you just cooked. Set them on a pan to medium-high heat, add some pickles, add your patty, and then the next top layer of your bread. Cook on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the bread gets nice and crispy, and then you'll be done. And that to you, my friends, is a 50-50 bacon bison slider powered by MEATS2U.com from John.